friends, again welcome all of you. These are Yungthang Valley, very fertile, and there are lots of grasses. That is why there are lots of yak is grazing the grass, and the back side of the particular river is flowing. You can see some the background there, this river. There are lots of clouds are coming from the downwards of this valley and going upward in that direction. There are huge amount and number of pine trees in that opposite side of the valley, which we are looking. This grassland is very fertile and one of the good land. It's kind of an open type of valley. Whenever a river comes down towards width and open valley, lots of sediments from the upside to down, they sedimented and deposited and make some fertile soil. That is why there is lots of grasses grown up. Those coming clouds which are coming from downwards, those clouds carry a good amount of water molecules, and that is why we can see some kind of rainfall is occurring here, and it is very common in this area. Thank you friends. It's enough for